Oh, stand up. You're going to jail anyways. Come on.
Hold on, for what?
Stand up and I'll tell you now. Jesus.
Take first off.
The one that did the tag switching on this part. So, but they did both. Like they underrang a sweatshirt like together. Like they were right there. The mom was trying to insert her card and she looked at her, and the lady, the other girl, just grabbed it and put it in a bag. So they were there the whole time for all of it. I mean, I can pull up the video. That's fine, whatever you want to do.
I was about to say, this is going to be Awesome's call. So it's a mom and daughter duo.
Supposedly.
Yeah, supposedly a mom and daughter. Daughter apparently has a really bad attitude, which I'm sure we'll do great with.
He must have forgot the butter or something.
But mom, they've been trying to catch mom for a while for tag switching. Apparently they went up to the register and mom was on the phone while daughter was scanning stuff, but they were right there together the whole time. And then mom goes to pay for everything, and like they kind of do a little switcheroo with the sweatshirt that they underrang. So there is some tag switching in this one that they're assuming was the mom, but it was actually the daughter ringing up everything. So it's going to be...
Boss?
Hey. So it's going to be one of those...
I don't even know if she's a juvenile.
I figure let's go get IDs first, and then we can figure out everything.
It's fine. I'll take care of it. IDs. ID. How old are you?
Let me go get
21.
What's your name?
Alexia? Do you have an Arkansas driver's license or ID? Do what? No. You've never had an ID out of any state? Okay, so what state is it out of?
Here, Arkansas.
It's out of Arkansas. Okay, so do you have an Arkansas driver's license or ID? Not on
Oh,
you.
in general?
Just in general. Okay. All right,
If
perfect.
this comes back to not you, you're going to jail. I'm just
Cassie,
letting
you
you.
ready?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I forgot. This was concealed in the mom's medication. It was not paid for.
Well, Chris is saying that the mom's taking all the...
They can't take charges.
No.
The mom is the tag switcher, right? Mm-hmm. So the mom, that was on here.
Yeah. Okay.
Was anything skip scan?
Oh, no.
This was skip scan. This was
Who was
skip
doing
scan.
that?
This was tag switch.
The young lady was scanning.
So both of them.
Yeah.
Yes. In concert together.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get a price now.
Okay. You need this?
Go back in there.
I can tell you it's gonna be over
Shelby's
because
in
of these two items right here.
Okay, get back in there. Lose the attitude.
I mean, you can go to jail.
Sit.
I'm gonna go get.
Okay.
I didn't know she found it.
You have the video?
Sure.
Can you burn it?
I can do better than that. I can attach the whole case and give you everything now. And send it to your email.
Will it, is it not going to be a big file?
No, not really. But I'll get you video of it. Ma'am, it's okay if you sit down.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Are any of them trespass from here?
Well, I haven't ran the one sitting down, but she's not. But I've had some.
Yeah.
With
They told us.
April 24th, 2025. Bryant, Arkansas. A mother and adult daughter caught on Walmart surveillance running two methods, tag switching and skip scanning. Under Arkansas Code Section 5-36-116, both qualify as retail theft. Technique does not matter concealment. Under scanning, tag swaps. All the same charge. It does not matter who did which act either. Arkansas Code Section 5-2-402 holds both liable when they act in concert. One scanning, one present, and coordinating the transaction, that is enough. The daughter's prior record is where this case changes completely. A 2023 theft conviction in Little Rock triggered Arkansas Code Section 5-36-103, subsection B. Paragraph 2. Any subsequent theft within 10 years becomes a Class B felony, regardless of dollar value, without that prior. This is a Class A misdemeanor, maximum 1 year, with it 5 to 20 years in the Arkansas Department of Corrections. Same merchandise. 1 prior conviction. Completely different legal exposure. The mother had no prior theft history. She received a misdemeanor citation. Same store. Same day. Different record. Different outcome. The law is correct to draw that line.
Oh, stand up. You're going to jail anyways. Come on.
Hold on, for what?
Stand up and I'll tell you now. Jesus.
Take the purse off.
Turn around.
What did she do on her?
We'll explain it. So in 2023, you were charged with theft of property and found guilty, right, in Little Rock? So any subsequent theft after that, within 10 years, is automatic felony. Automatic felony. Doesn't matter if you're skip scanning items, concealing items, swapping tags, it's still considered shoplifting, still considered theft.
Do you have something on you before?
So, so today you'll be charged with a Class B felony.
What is that?
Felony.
Not a misdemeanor.
Yeah, it's a higher charge. So she's going to go to jail and have to see a judge.
Theft of property.
Stole. So, face the law.
Yep.
You can even see the sticker on it.
Yeah. When she only scanned one.
Mm-hmm.
Move your foot.
What, ma'am? Saline County Jail.
A little claustrophobic.
Wait, don't I have the right to call somebody?
No, you don't, actually.
So once you get to the jail and you get booked in, they'll allow you to have 1 free phone call.
Miranda is worth flagging. The daughter denied the theft on camera post-arrest. In response to officer questions, Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, requires rights advisement before custodial interrogation. No warning appears on camera. A defense attorney can move to suppress those statements. Surveillance footage stands independent, but an avoidable gap in procedure is still a gap. The most legally exposed moment in this footage is the phone call exchange. She asked if she had the right to call someone. The officer said, "No, you don't." Arkansas Code Section 12-27-133 says otherwise. That statute grants persons in custody a reasonable opportunity to make telephone communication. The officer meant post-booking. But a flat denial in custody is not a procedural note, it is a potential rights violation. The trespass notice covers every Walmart, Sam's Club, and Murphy gas station nationwide. Permanent. Returning after notice is criminal trespass. Return and steal. And it becomes commercial burglary under Arkansas Code Section 5-39-201, a Class C felony. 3 to 10 years. It attaches at entry with intent, not completion of the act.
No prior felonies?
No, this is, it was a misdemeanor theft, but
Yeah.
with it being subsequently.
Oh, no, I'm aware.
And here's mom's ID. Both of them are 52.
Oh, yeah.
The only thing mom has is endangerment second from a while back.
I mean, if you... What did she say?
A little weird.
Oh, gotcha. Has she already signed her stuff?
No.
Okay. Here, take a seat for me.
You sit. Did you send me both returns?
I will. I have no yet.
She needs a citation.
What is that?
Let me see. Give it to me.
What is that?
You're going to get charged with theft of property as well.
So the one with attitude's going because she just caught a felony because she got charged with shoplifting or theft in 23. So it's a subsequent arrest within 10 years. So she's catching a felony. And then the mom's getting a citation.
Damn, that don't seem right, but okay.
Well, she doesn't have any.
So she can take stuff.
Yeah. What, the stuff that she did pay for? The stuff she did pay for?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you were saying about her that she could get bail fund, or you say another word, monetary?
So I don't know if it's going to be a bail, like it could be you know, like they could set like $1,000 bail or make you pay money, or they could do a signature bond, meaning she just has a sign promising she'll show up in court, and they'll let her out. I don't know which they're gonna do. With this being your first felony,
with the bond, like, okay, I'm not sure how bonds work, but like, can you do that like in payments, or like you had to do like one big thing, like one?
No, if you can't afford it all at one time, you have to get a bondsman. You have to put something up as collateral to them, and they'll pay it for you. So you got a car or something like that,
Okay,
or
so
a house.
like usually about how much is the bond, like a rough estimate?
For a theft of property, what, I don't know, probably $1,000.
I'm gonna say I truly don't know.
And they may OR you and just boot you.
What is that?
Yeah.
The signature bond, where they make you promise to show up in court and then they let you go without any money.
Pretty sure they're going to make her see a judge.
They will. With a felony, she has to.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because they're at 213. They're not even at capacity.
What's capacity?
So what happened at that time?
225.
Huh?
Oh, I was asking her what happened at that time. I didn't know.
9 a.m.
Oh, well, she is an adult.
Tuve con Alejandro.
Is it mom, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a ticket for theft of property, shoplifting, less than $1,000, okay? So your court
She will
date...
get to go home.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll get to go home.
And technically, your driver's license is expired. You need to go get a new one.
I'm waiting on my passport so I can get the new driver license.
Yeah, I got the debit and then
The real ID that they should
Yeah.
be
my
calling.
database, and then I will be.
So I'm waiting on my passport.
If you get pulled over between
Yes.
now and then, they're not going to care. I'm just telling
Is
you.
it expired already?
Yes,
Or
it's
is it by-
expired. It expires every 8 years or 4 years on your birthday, whatever it is now. Your court date's going to be June 4th, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Bryant District Court, okay? If you have any questions, you can call that number.
This is mine.
Yeah, that's yours. She's coming with me.
There's a.
And there's no
Trespass
chance
form
that
if you
you get out today, right?
Who? Who needs this?
She asked for it.
Wait, so they can't bring me like absolutely nothing in jail? What about like glasses?
That's up to the jail. So jail, Saline County, we're Bryant. Completely two different jurisdictions. We just use their
Like, I'm
jail.
going to Celine.
Yeah.
Did you know my number?
You have her number or you need it written down?
No, I have her number. No le digas a nadie, nomás dile que me voy a quedar en la casa de tu casa. Si pregunta por mí, most likely va a llamar, nomás mándale mensaje and be like, be like, I'm gonna stay at my mom's. Because I told him I took Santi to
What?
the hospital earlier.
Stand up.
So
Or you
nomás-
need her to
nomás
stand up?
decirle.
For her to
I
sign.
just need to get her name so we can get her band for me.
Okay, yeah, for sure. It's Hatteer is her last name.
Dile que
Stand up.
Do you need her date of birth?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
You right-handed or left-handed?
So this is a
Trespass.
trespass, meaning that you can't go to any Walmart, Murphy Station, anything with the Walmart signature on it, Sam's Club, doesn't matter. You are trespassed from all of them in the state of Arkansas. Actually,
No,
it's
no,
everywhere. Yeah, you're trespassed from all of them.
Even overseas.
Till when?
Forever. Can never come back. If you are found back here, you can be charged with commercial burglary if you commit another
so I
crime.
can't go to the
or
gas
trespass.
station.
Nope.
You will be
If I go to the gas station,
arrested for criminal trespass. If you steal from there, you'll be found guilty of commercial burglary.
I think that's kind of absurd. I can't pump gas at a certain gas station.
You can go to any other gas station in the
don't
world.
be a thief. It's not that
I
hard.
wasn't talking to you.
I don't care.
So this is saying that you understand that you have been trespassed. It is not admitted.
What's going on? Where's Eads? He's a road.
He's still at the meeting.
I'm about to say, I'm
God
going to
dang.
go.
Really?
No, you just.
Could you get your cleanup for Davey on
Is your address the same as your mother's?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cynthia, can you do that?
Absolutely.
Oh, wait, let me reprint it.
Oh, okay.
He's got clocked 2 more times for the same.
Mejor ni le pregunte al que me lo desbloque porque más se nos aprieta.
I could not tell you. I don't know.
Am I allowed to go in there?
What was your question?
No. I was listening to what you said.
We were talking about.
No, it's going to be plea and arraignment. She's the only one there. She either pleads guilty or she pleads not guilty and goes to trial.
It's guilty, not guilty, or here's another one.
No.
If you
You-
plead
you
not
have-
guilty, you're going to a trial.
You have 2 options: guilty or not guilty. The
tienen otra opción.
only way that you go to court
¿Tienen otro?
or get you talking about no contest.
Yeah.
You got to
What is that?
I don't know. That's a lawyer thing. I have no idea.
Porque la última vez culpamos así.
The only two options you have there are going to be guilty or not guilty. If you plead guilty, they'll sentence you. If you plead not guilty, it'll go to trial. You'll get a lawyer, and you can fight it. And then that's where the no contest or dismissed or whatever comes into play.
Van a 17 años. Apenas veniste si lo pagaste.
Is it in the bag?
Porque no sabía que todavía
Hey, I'll be right back.
debía dinero. So,
Y'all
¿sabías lo
good?
que-
Do you have her number? Okay. All right. Come on.
Pero no le digas.
She has a baby.
Huh?
She has a,
My baby's at her house.
Okay.
she's giving me instructions.
Oh shit. What about tomorrow?
It's okay.
You have sick leave?
I don't find a sick one, but I take a plan.
Well, she'll have to figure that out. So let's go. It's going to be the one with the lights.
Am I allowed to use the restroom when I get over there?
Yeah, they'll let you. Ten four.
You want me to do it?
No, no, no. So she was charged with theft in 23
And found guilty.
by Little Rock. All right. Well, it's still the same charge. 36-103. Just a felony.
There is where it says second.
There is one. It's just not down at the bottom like it normally is. It's a completely different statute number?
It's not a completely different one, but in here it is a different charge. Theft of property, 1,000 or less, and conviction within 10 years is how it's worded. So,
I didn't know that.
yeah.
Well, because how it normally is you just charge them with it, and everybody knows why, because it's in the statute itself. So.
Well, with theft of property, it's all broken down in there because there's so many different parts of it.
So do you fill?
You do the warrant, not the
Yeah.
citation.
Right. Okay. And then it would be the report number for the ticket number, right? And she doesn't even get that. That's just for our records. All right, cool. All right. I'll holler at you later. All right.
Lead Officer B. He applied the felony enhancement correctly in real time, held composure through a combative encounter. The phone call advisement was inaccurate. That is a training correction, and it needs to happen. Alexia C+, complied at transport, but denying the theft to the arresting officer post-arrest serves no legal purpose whatsoever. The Fifth Amendment exists for that exact moment. Mother B-. Cooperative. No escalation. Acting in concert is participation. She did not need to touch the scanner to share in the criminal liability. Department B+. Proportional charging. Correct statutory application throughout. The phone call gap is fixable. It needs to be fixed before it becomes a civil claim. 3 things to take away. First, a prior theft conviction does not add a charge, it multiplies exposure. The value of the merchandise becomes irrelevant. 5 to 20 years for a sweatshirt. That is what the enhancement statute does. Second, silence after arrest is the right call. Every time. Nothing said to an arresting officer without counsel has ever helped a defendant more than staying quiet. Third, not right now, and you do not have that right, are not the same statement. One is a logistics decision. The other is a constitutional denial. Officers must know which one they are saying and say the right one. Court date June 4th, 2025. 9 in the morning. Bryant District Court. The outcome of the felony charge is unknown at the time of this analysis. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel. Bodycam Case Analysis Second Channel. For more police interaction and courtroom content,